Hello, this is Michelle Birch, your student's math and science teacher for 2nd grade. I'm just going to be showing you how we have been solving our 2-digit addition with regrouping and our 2-digit subtraction with regrouping here in class. So I have this example problem, 48 plus 24. A lot of our students like to draw their place value chart on top of something like this, and so we're going to label tens and ones, and we are working on using our pictorial models. So we're going to look at the number 48, and we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and we have 8 ones. So we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like them to draw in rows of 5, and it's kind of like a 10 frame, and it helps them to see. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to look at our bottom number. We have 24, so I'm going to draw 2 tens and 4 ones. So when we add, I tell them we always start at the ones place. So we have 8 plus 4. And so a lot of them have to count, so we then can see that, oh, 2 more make a 10. So the answer is 12. And they're trying to make tens, so they're going to circle 10 ones. And we're drawing arrows to show that when you have 10 ones, you can regroup it for 1 10. And we circle it so we know we added it. So we look to see how many ones do we leave behind. We left behind 2. How many tens do I have in all? So it's not 4 anymore. It's 5, 6, 7. 72. And so I also do that by talking with them about how, 8 plus 4 is 12. So we can also just carry our 10. So we have 4, 5, 6, plus 1 more makes 7. So our sum is 72. Now we're going to come over here to subtraction, and we will do the number 45 minus, I'm sorry, I cannot see, sorry about that, minus 18. So when we subtract, we are still using our pictorial model. But when we subtract, we only draw for the top number. So we're not going to draw the bottom, we're just going to draw the top. So we still look at our place value. Again, this many students find this very helpful. So we have our tens and our ones. We're going to draw 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start by looking at our ones place. We have 5 minus 8. Can I take away 8 if I only have 5? And so what we're saying is, do we have enough? So if I have 5, can I take away an 8? Do I have enough? And hopefully your student says, no, you don't have enough. What do we need to do? We need to regroup. So we're going to look to the tens place. We're going to take a 10, and we're going to regroup it into the ones place. And so we know that 110 is actually made up of 10 ones. So we are going to regroup it for 10 ones. And so we have our 10 ones, and now I tell them let's show that with our numbers. So there are not 4 tens any longer. We have regrouped it, and now there are 3 tens, and we have added our 10s. We don't have 5 ones anymore. Now we have 15. So now our problem says 15 minus 8. Do I have enough to subtract? Yes. So we're going to take away 8. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we look to see how many are remaining. And we have 7 remaining, so 7. Now here is where a lot of students are getting confused. They look at the 3 and they write the 3. Please remind them that they need to subtract ones and they have to subtract tens. A lot of them are forgetting this step right here, and so a lot of them are writing a 3. So we need to really work on reminding them, okay, there's not 4 anymore, there are 3. So 3 minus 1, we can cross off this 1. And how many are left? There are 2. So our difference is 27. So here is our addition with regrouping. We draw both models, we make a 10, we regroup it. For subtraction, we check to see, do we have enough? And if we do not have enough, we come to the tens and we regroup it the other direction into our ones, and then we subtract our ones. and we subtract our 10s. I hope this helps. You will be seeing some fact practice coming home for this weekend. It will be due next Friday. And if you have any questions or just need some more explanations, feel free to email, send a note, ask anything you need. Just ask. Thank you.